Do you spend hours brainstorming and writing blog content manually just to get one blog ready for publishing? Well, let's stop that. In this video, I'll show you how to automate the blog generation process through an n8n workflow. Let's see how it works. The workflow starts with a schedule trigger. This workflow runs every 5 hours, automatically kicking off the blog generation process. In the AI agent node, you just have to give the initial prompt with the blog title and your brand's writing style to generate initial blog ideas. Next, the outline writer takes the topic from the AI agent and generates a structured outline with section titles and key points so the final blog has a solid backbone before any full text is written. Next, the outline evaluation node reviews the outline against expert blogging criteria, an engaging intro, strong section breakdown, logical flow, and a clear conclusion with takeaways. Only the revised and improved outline moves forward. Now, the blog writer node expands the approved outline into a complete blog post. It writes in a natural first-person voice, adds depth and storytelling, incorporates examples, testimonials, and a warm call to action. The blog comes out detailed, structured, and already tailored for your brand. Then, the content is passed through a code node to convert the blog into a polished HTML email. Headers, links, and typography are formatted with responsive design so it looks professional in any inbox. Finally, the finished blog is sent to your inbox via email. The subject line is dynamically generated and the body contains the fully formatted blog. At the end of execution, you have a brand new high-quality blog, generated, refined, and delivered automatically, ready to be published, shared, or archived in your CMS. If you struggle with keeping up a blog pipeline, this workflow can save you countless hours. You can download the exact workflow from the link in the description. If you found this valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. We'll be sharing more real-world automations like this. And if you want us to tailor this flow to your use case, drop a comment with your requirements. See you in the next video.